Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the display path. Check Bf6 is using the correct HDR or SDR mode because the game behaves differently in each. Next, make sure Windows brightness and your GPU color range match. Mismatches wash out highlights or crush shadows. Once done, turn off overlays like Steam or Discord, which can alter rendering. Restart the game to apply changes. These steps establish a stable baseline, so the in-game brightness controls will behave predictably, instead of compensating for OS. Now you dive into Bf6 settings. Adjust brightness and contrast slowly, try 5 to 10% changes, because small shifts have big visual impact. If Bf6 offers HDR preview or target nit settings, use those to match your display's peak luminance. It prevents clipped highlights. Also toggle film grain and gamma while watching a consistent scene. Film grain can make images look darker, and gamma shifts midtones. Make one change at a time, then observe a bright sky and a dark interior to judge correctness. Finish by locking your chosen settings and testing them across several maps and lighting scenarios so you avoid scene-specific surprises. If brightness still looks wrong, update GPU drivers and clear Bf6 shader cache. Corrupted shaders or outdated drivers often break color pipelines. As a last resort, switch between HDR and SDR modes to see which is accurate, then inspect your monitor OSD, contrast, local dimming, and color presets affect perceived brightness. If nothing fixes it, revert to default settings and repeat the controlled adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.